RIP Miss Minnie was the #1 trending topic on Twitter last night. And Ashley Minnie Ross died from injuries that she sustained after being involved in a car crash. This happened on Sunday in Atlanta. She passed away on Monday night in the hospital. And as you said, Robin, Ross was one of the stars of Lifetime's Little Women Atlanta.
It took me a while to realize that you wanted to be me.
Me? Miss Minnie? Trying to be Juicy? Come on, that is the funniest joke I ever heard in my life.
Ross's management team says it was a hit and run. We have not been able to confirm that, but we have reached out to police. Ashley Ross was 34 years old.